welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be making another Vietnamese dessert. It's probably one of the easiest desserts that I know how to make. Quite possibly one of the first ones that I learned how to make, because it's so easy. Literally has 4 ingredients, really. You need a can of coconut milk, sugar, tapioca pearls. You can get the all white ones. I like color, so this is a colorful one. And Thai bananas. And basically the process of it is we're gonna go ahead and slice up this banana into about 1 centimeter thick pieces. Leave that aside. We're going to heat up this entire can of coconut milk with about 2/3 cup of sugar. And then we're gonna toss in about 2 tablespoons of the tapioca pearls. And then we're gonna let that sit for about 20 minutes so that the tapioca pearls soften into the coconut milk. Throw in the sliced bananas, leave it there, cook it for about 5 minutes, and the dessert is ready. You'll have a delicious Vietnamese dessert called chuối. I think it's chuối chung, but I usually just call it chuối, which is basically a dessert with banana, I guess is the literal translation of it. But yeah, so let's get started, guys. Okay, here guys, we're just going to go ahead and empty an entire can of coconut milk and add in the sugar and the tapioca pearls. And we're gonna let that come to a boil. Take it off the heat and let it sit there for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so as soon as that starts to boil, and you see it start to bubble, we're gonna go ahead and turn off the heat and take the pot off the heat, but we're just gonna let it sit there for a good 20 to 25 minutes so that the tapioca pearls can cook through. Okay, for the sesame seeds, I just took white sesame seeds and I'm putting them into a dry pan. And we're just gonna let that cook on low heat until it gets nice and toasted and brown. Once you start seeing the sesame seeds kind of golden up, it's a good time to turn off the heat because it goes from golden to burnt in a matter of moments. We're gonna take the toasted sesame seeds off of the heat and into a bowl, and then we're gonna add in crushed roasted peanuts, equal parts of the sesame and the peanuts, and then we'll add in 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. So I know we started off saying that I was going to use 4 of the Thai bananas, but my daughter wanted 1, so now we have 3. And we're just going to cut these bananas into 1 centimeter slices, and we're going to set that aside until the tapioca pearls are done cooking. So after you've let the tapioca sit in the coconut milk for about 25 minutes, we can go ahead and drop in the banana slices and let that turn on the heat to medium and let that cook for about 5 minutes. Or until you start to see it like thicken up. Okay, and I know the color is a little bit pink. I did not realize that the tapioca pearls would kind of bleed into the coconut milk and change the color of it, but it is now a sakura pink banana tapioca pudding. Anyway, so this is the consistency that you want it to be. It's thickened up and the bananas are fully cooked, so you should see it super soft. And it's ready to go. To plate this, you just want to go ahead and take a serving bowl, and we want to put, I wouldn't put too much because you'll get tired of the taste, but some banana slices, some tapioca pearls, and then we're going to top it with those that toasted sesame with the crushed peanuts. And there you go, guys. Okay.
Banana tapioca pudding. I feel like I've had it on like SG or something somewhere.
And it kind of turned pink because of the tapioca pearls, okay?
Pink purplish.
There's...
Yes, thank you.
Careful, top.
Oh, I like the sweetness. Peanuts give it a really nice crunch. I need one more bite. With that like tapioca. Oh, the bananas. That was good.
You like it?
That was really good.
Yay.
I know you guys don't believe me now. As everything's really good. But believe me, it's really good. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do. Like, subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Sorry. Bye.